So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Monday the 8th of October. Now let's just have a look at prices and we price them in like they go. So here on the US dollar Japanese yen, we've had prices trade through the 114.30. We did mention it was a pretty strong level, especially from a daily chart perspective from 2017. We've had prices trade through the 114.30, testing on a few occasions, had a brief consolidation. We did see this breakdown, brief rally, further consolidation. So the further breakdown here of the US dollar Japanese yen tested the 1356 without a confluence of 200 period moving average at a brief rally, posted a somewhat lower high, and we've had a sharp acceleration here to the downside, breaking that 1356, and we are seeing a bit of a recovery, a bit of a pullback so far. So if we do see this continued sell side momentum here accelerate to the downside, looking for a test of that 1304 with that a confluence of 400 period moving average, thus increased likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level. If we do see that bullish bounce, we are looking for price head up towards that 1356. If however we do see the breakdown beyond the 1304, next level of note is a move down towards a 1277, and beyond that, if we do see continued momentum here to the downside, we are looking for a move down towards that 1252 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. If however we do see a break back above that 1356, we do hold 1356. The very next level of note, of course, is our previous highs here in around that 114.30 on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the higher time frames here prices are developing. So here on this weekly chart, we can see we have our lows. We've had rather strong acceleration momentum to the downside, brief pullback, further continuation, another consolidation, from which we've had the acceleration momentum here to the upside, post a bit of a pin bar. As we can see, we did trade through up towards that 114.50s or so. We've had the immediate sell side momentum take us beyond the 14.30 to the downside, and so far today we have seen a bit of a sell side momentum coming to the market. So we'll see if we do have further pullback before realignment with the overall trend that's developed here since about March. Here on the US dollar Japanese yen, if we do see that continued momentum here to the upside after a potential pullback here on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart, we can see here we do have our lows, we have our higher lows, we've had the accelerated momentum to the upside. We were saying that we were looking for a pullback at some point, as we did see an increase. The progression to the upside was accelerating. We did see that break of that 114.30, a pretty strong level from 2017, and we are seeing that pullback now on the US dollar Japanese yen, which would be expected considering the rate of change that we have seen here to the upside on the US dollar Japanese yen. So we are seeing a bit of pullback. We'll see if we can find a potential higher level of support for further continuation, or if we'll see simply a lower high posted and see a continued fall here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Overall, for now, the stance remains bullish despite this pullback that we are seeing at present. So we'll see how this pullback develops, whether it develops into a higher low or a lower high, and we'll go from there pretty much. But overall, the trend for the past couple of months has been clearly to the upside on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.